Hi guys, this is Kent from KT Camping, and today we are going to cook our favorite campground breakfast. Stay tuned. Okay guys, today we are cooking our campground breakfast. It's one of our favorite breakfasts we do once in a while when we got a lot of people. Normally we feed a lot of people with this breakfast. I was going to show you the ingredients for the breakfast and tell you a little bit about what we're going to do. Okay guys, for the breakfast I'm going to cook bacon. I got this from the Bacon of the Month Club. My kids got it for me, and I think the first time I ever talked about that was in the Sam Parr video, the cracking of the geodes. And this stuff is awesome. You're going to really enjoy watching me cook this. The other ingredients are about, I would say, 4 to 6 diced up potatoes, and then we're going to have little smokies, Eckrich sausages, which we'll use about half the package or so, and then we're going to do 6 eggs in it, and these are homegrown by a neighbor here, and I gotta show you, this egg is huge. I mean, here's the normal one and here's the one beside it. So we're going to get this all ready, and we're going to get the Blackstone fired up, and we're going to see what we can do. Okay, the first step in doing this is to fry this bacon, so we're going to start that first. This stuff is delicious. What we'll do is fry this bacon, and then we'll use the grease from the bacon to fry the potatoes. While we're waiting for the bacon to cook, I think I'll go get me a Dr. Pepper. A lot of you have been asking about the old soda machines that I have in my shed, and I'm going to go over and get a drink out of one of them and kind of show it to you real quick while we're waiting on the bacon to cook. Here's the machine I'm going to get the soda out of. It is a Ventilator 44, and it's, I think, about a 1957 model, but I've converted it to take cans. So I kept the old conversion, but I converted this one to take cans. And I'm going to get a drink out of it, and this is just a teaser for maybe an upcoming video or something. But basically, a lot of you older people like me will recognize these type of machines with the crank handle and everything, and I'm going to vend a soda out of it. Put your dime in, and there's a handle down here. Crank the handle, and your can falls out the bottom. So, there you go, my favorite Dr. Pepper. Okay, taking the last piece of bacon off, just about ready. That's the last bit of that. And we're going to get ready to fry the potatoes. We'll fry them in the bacon grease. Cover over that. Okay guys, the potatoes are starting to get done. So we're going to add the sausage in. Basically just dump them in there. will say one thing, I'm glad my wife made me get this cover because it makes this a lot easier to do. Okay, we'll let that get hot and then we'll add the eggs in. Getting close to getting done, and I think it looks delicious. Hope the wife thinks it looks delicious. This is our first try of this breakfast on the Blackstone. Okay, we got the campground breakfast cooked on the new Blackstone Griddle, and I think it turned out really well. And my wife's going to tell you a little story about this breakfast, and it brings back a lot of memories for her. So,
Claire, since I was a little girl, we've had this while camping. My dad always makes it. I can remember doing it with my grandma Belle when she would camp with us, and she's been gone over 25 years. And we used to cook it over the fire, actually. Then we moved on to electric skillet, and now Blackstone. But everybody do their part. Somebody'd be cleaning the potatoes, somebody'd be chopping up the sausage, scrambling the eggs. And it was always a delicious breakfast, and we'd have it with a cup of coffee sitting around the fire. I loved it. I still do.
We hope you enjoyed this video on the campfire breakfast. And if you did, please subscribe, hit the like button, and hit the notification bell so you can get upcoming videos. And remember, have fun camping.